Welcome back, Freedom Savers. So how is the completely random stock portfolio doing? It is still outperforming all my other ones. As you can see, we're at $1,181.68. We have no cash because we've made, oh, actually we do. We have 38 cents because we got paid some dividends. We got paid our 38 cents in dividends from Kansas City Southern. But we are at 1182.06 in value. And as you know, I've only deposited $1,000, so that means I'm up $182.06 since December 21st, so less than a month, which gives me an 18.21% gain. That is pretty awesome. Random stocks for the win, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, let's come over here. There's been no buy activity, no sell activity. Yearly dividends hasn't changed at all because I'm not buying any more shares, so nothing's changing. $24 a year, 2 a month, same stuff that you've seen before. There's been no dividend changes. So yeah, these are my same holdings. The next ex-div that I'm aware of is February 28th. And that's it. I don't know what to say about this portfolio. It is doing great. It's outperforming all of my portfolios. I've got some decent companies in here, I guess. I wasn't expecting them to perform nearly as well as they have been. As you can see, they're all in the green. There's none in the red at all. So yeah, I'm kind of impressed and awed by this portfolio. I totally expected to lose more money on this. But yeah, so far so good. We'll see how it goes throughout the rest of the year. So that's the random stock portfolio. That's all I really got for this one. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.